Food trucks are awesome. It takes cooks and food artists to where the customers are for a relatively low cost. Especially since the Great Recession of 2008, food trucks around the world have provided people with excellent and unique culinary experiences with much convenience to the customers who need a quick bite and flexibility for the food entrepreneurs managing these trucks. For those worried about food trucks taking over the businesses of brick-and-mortar restaurants, according to a January 2022 study conducted by the Institute of Justice, they don't, really. Food trucks compete with fast food places, complement sit-down restaurants, and help them test out new food offerings. In fact, food truck vendors help to bring in more customers in many deserted areas during the pandemic and help to restore the food economy. Food trucks and restaurants thrive together and independently, but this doesn't mean that food truck workers get treated with the same respect. Several laws are in place to restrict food trucks far away from restaurants. Food truck vendors know how to communicate to make sure they don't overstep someone else's business. Often they're run by folks who have already worked in the restaurant industry. At the end of the day, people just choose what they want to eat and who they want to support. To put it plainly, we just love food. So why all this vitriol? If anything, the presence of food trucks and restaurants in the same area contribute to a more vibrant culinary scene. Food trucks had successfully set up shop in the most ghostly of cities during the pandemic and reinforced the people's love for food and the joys and comfort they can provide when people need it. Remember, ice cream trucks were there for the public during the Great Depression. Food trucks keep the economy going, not unlike our other trucker friends. Next time when you're on the road, why not stop by a food truck and say hello? Truckers, we salute you all. And whether you drive a long haul or sell Korean fusion tacos or somewhere in between, please look out for each other and motor on safely.